Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? Welcome back to another new toy collecting videos. Wow, nice big school bus. Wow, it is a very beautiful toys. 4 tires, black combination tires. Wow, very gorgeous toy. Many windows. This is a popular bus. Wow, it is a very beautiful toys. Nice. Wow, mini racing car. Wow, mini racing car is so beautiful. Wow, nice blue and white combination tires, 4 tires. Wow, so beautiful toys. Wow, nice. Wow, it is army tank. Nice. Whoa, so beautiful. Victorious army wear tank, many tires, red color tires, 4 tires. Wow, nice. Yellow and green combination, K99 tank. Wow, nice. So dangerous tank. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, two CNG auto rickshaw, yellow and pink combination. Wow, nice, so beautiful. One yellow and white combination. Wow, nice, so amazing auto rickshaw. Nice. And another CNG auto rickshaw. Nice, so beautiful toys. Wow, beautiful toys. Wow, dump truck, orange and blue combination. Wow, oh no, it's broken. Wow, nice dump truck, yellow and black combination tires. Wow, very gorgeous dump truck. Nice, so beautiful toys. Wow, white Lamborghini police car. Wow, nice. It is so beautiful and gorgeous toys. Wow, nice, so beautiful white and black combination. Wow, nice. Lamborghini police car. Wow, many special toys. Wow, mini excavator. Wow, nice. Mini excavator is so gorgeous. Black and yellow combination. Wow, excavator working power so hard. Nice, very nice toy. Wow, another small dump truck, green and black combination. Wow, nice dump truck, so wonderful. Wow, nice. Wow, big RC car. Wow, very dangerous, very big tire. Wow, nice. Orange and black combination tires, red combination RC, big car. Wow, very beautiful car. Wow, so wonderful. Nice. Wow, many wonderful toys. Wow, nice. Thank you watching for these videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye.